Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly sanitizing hands and tools so contamination doesn't ruin adhesion. Once done, push back cuticles and file to shape. Buff lightly to remove shine because primer needs a slightly toothy surface. Apply a thin, even coat of Dehydrator to each nail. It removes residual oils and moisture. Make sure not to soak the nail. One thin layer is enough. Wait about 10-15 seconds until the surface looks matte and slightly tack-free before moving on to primer application. You now apply primer correctly so your enhancements bond. Decide acid versus non-acid based on client sensitivity and product system. Acid primers etch, non-acid primes chemically. Place a small bead on the center of the nail, then pull gently toward the cuticle and tip in one smooth stroke so you get full coverage without flooding the cuticle. Make sure the primer does not touch skin. If it does, wipe immediately. Let the primer air dry for about 5 to 10 seconds until tacky, then proceed to product application. You finish by applying your enhancement, gel, acrylic, or dip, right after the primer becomes tacky so you get optimal bonding. Make sure to cap the free edge and seal around the cuticle to avoid lifting. Follow the product cure times closely. Once cured, wipe any inhibition layer if required and apply top coat. If lifting or peeling appears later, don't force it. Remove the service. Repeat dehydration and primer steps, paying strict attention to oil-free prep and thin, even coats. Then reapply for a secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.